What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So right now, our Vlogmas day 9. So this is the 9th day of 12 days of Christmas. Sana hindi pa kayo nagsasawa sa akin kasi araw-araw na tayo nag-upload. Thankfully, na nagagawa ko pa naman siya. Akala ko nung una, gaya nung parang, I forgot ko anong day ko yun sinabi, na parang kinakabahan ako baka hindi ko kayang magkapag-upload daily kasi nga struggle talaga sa akin before yung pagtatapos ng video kasi doon ako nag-struggle sa pag-editing part na kasi sobrang, especially pag travel videos, talagang sobrang hirap niyang i-combine yung mga photos, yung mga, alam mo yung mga videos, sobrang hirap i-combine. If you're a travel vlogger there, siguro nakaka-relate ka din sa akin, especially pagka kasi sit down vlog or parang ito lang, random vlog lang, mabilis lang siyang i-edit kasi ikakat-cut mo lang yung mga dead air, yung mga mga ganon, mabilis lang siyang i-cut. Wherein, pagka travel videos, talagang i-combine mo siya at maghahanap ka pa ng music na magmamatch doon and then imamatch mo pa siya sa beat ng music. So, yun, medyo mahaba na tong intro na to. So, without further ado, we'll jump into the topic of this 9th day of 12 days of Christmas. Ta-da! Ang mga pinuntahan ko dito yung sikat sa Ho Chi Minh City, yung sa Saigon, yung Notre-Dame Cathedral. Sa gilid nun, nandun na rin yung post office nila. And then, yung Opera House, meron din silang Opera House doon. Bitexco Financial Tower, wherein yun yung second tallest building ng Vietnam. And then, after that, meron ding tour ng yung Heineken tour. So, without further ado, this is the video of my day 7 of my Indochina travel. Ta-da! Hey guys, good morning. So, right now, officially, this is the second day of my stay here in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh. And right now, naglalakad tayo going to Notre-Dame Cathedral, Saigon. So this is around 15 to 20 minutes walk from the hotel. So I decided na maglakad lang kasi pansin the map, malapit lang naman. So my first day, medyo late na akong dumating dito kasi we arrived from Cambodia around 7-8 p.m. last night. Hindi na ako lumabas, I just stayed kasi sobrang napagod ako sa biyahe. So guys, we're here at the Notre-Dame Cathedral. We're inside at their post office. Here, this is the post office. So guys, we're here at the Saigon Opera House. That's the Opera House over there. Tingnan natin kung makapunta tayo in a while. Ayun guys, so we're not allowed to go inside at the Opera House. The show will, they only have one show per day at 6 p.m.
Last year, 2017, Vietnam was top 1 in Asia and top 5 all over the world for Heineken market. I know. And guess what? This year, 2018, we reached about top 4 already. So we have only half year to go. Wish me luck. Environment, reduce CO2 to air, and also we create jobs for local people get more incomes. So you see, Heineken, we not only care about qualities, also communities. Your Heineken, we have a slogan, more than just a green color, we brew a better Vietnam. So now you know why we green. To brew our perfect Heineken beer, we're gonna have 4 ingredients, and we have water, barley, hops, and yes, water is the only ingredient we use in Vietnam. And
hold the glass of 45 degrees angle and open the top once motion like this. Let the beer run spiral into the glass. Yeah, slowly, and train the glass with nearly full, and then close. Step 3, skim. You know wet skimmer and skim up the foam at 45 degree angle. Step 4, check it. Check again before shot. You will check the foam at 2 fingers like this. Or the head of beer sit on the horizontal line on the red star is perfect.
wow.
Step 5, serving. With the logo facing your customer, and let's say, enjoy your Heineken.
Hello guys, say hi to May from Heineken. That's May from Heineken, Vietnam.
Hi Philippines.
Thank you. Ang daming tao, ang daming motorcycle. You like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified on my latest upload. And then see you on our day 10 of my Vlogmas entry. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.
Jingle bells,